Hey there, I'm Daryl Ballard, and I imagine if you're watching this video, it was because you were searching for how to make it big with affiliate marketing, or something of that nature. And if that's what you were searching for, you're in the right place, because that's what we're going to talk about. I also wanted to tell you that I create lots of content on this channel about growing businesses, online businesses, improving your business, the mindset for a good business, all of those sorts of things about having a successful online business. So consider subscribing to my channel if that's something you're really interested in. And I also want you to know that the first link below is a link to my 4-day course on the essentials of building yourself a successful 6-figure online business. That's completely free. So consider signing up for that if that's something you're interested in. Okay, so let's talk about how to make it big in affiliate marketing. So what is the secret to making it big in affiliate marketing? Is there a secret? Well, actually, there isn't really. It's something that's fairly well known, but so many people don't talk about it. So many of the so-called gurus overlook it that it almost is a secret. So what is that? Is it really wanting it? Is it really being hungry? No, that's not it. Is it having a good positive attitude, a good mindset? Well, that's not really it either. Those are all important things, but that's not what it is. So let's talk about the basic things that it takes, the two really basic things that it takes for an online business, and see if we can come to what the secret is. The first one is getting an audience for your business. We sometimes refer to this as traffic. Obviously, the more people you have coming in the front door of a business, the better chance you have of having enough sales to make a good living in the business. That's what we're talking about here. Traffic is people coming to the front door, through the front door of your website, or however it is that you sell your product online. So that's the first thing. And obviously, if they're good leads that are paying attention, the more the better. All right. The second thing is turning those people who come through your front door into leads and eventually into sales, customers for your business. We often refer to that as conversions. That's another skill that's very important to acquire. Those are really the two things that make your business. But there is a third thing, and that is really the foundation. Those two have to be built on the foundation of the proper mindset. You see, starting an online business has lots of adversity, lots of hurdles, like most businesses do. And if you don't have the proper mindset, most people, practically everyone, don't stay in it long enough to reach the level where they're profitable. So, traffic and conversions built on the foundation of the proper mindset, so that you'll stay with it, so that you'll hang in there. Okay, so where is the secret in that? Is it in traffic? No, not really in traffic. Traffic is just learning the step-by-step. It's an important skill. It's basically the oxygen, the air for your business, so it's extremely important, but it's just learning the skills. There's not a whole lot of secrets in there. Is it the proper mindset? Well, again, extremely important. It's the foundation, but that really is just going through the proper steps to have proper mindset. Now, for both of those, you'll find videos on my channel about traffic and proper mindset. And in fact, the next video I'm doing is the mindset towards money, which is extremely important. So watch for that. But the secret really isn't in those. The secret lies in turning your people that are coming through your traffic, that are coming through your door, your audience, into leads and getting them to sales. So let's go through the basics of how we get traffic in the door and start converting them into sales and see if we can figure out where this secret is. All right, so this is the way that most people, most of the gurus talk about traffic. This is how they talk about the process of getting people through your system, your funnel. All right? They bring traffic, they send traffic to a capture page, they capture an email, and they send those leads that they get straight to their affiliate sales page. A lot of times they're generating the traffic. Most of the gurus talk about solo ads. The problem with solo ads is you're really buying someone else's traffic. You're kind of renting someone else's leads, and you're not really generating your own traffic. So a lot of those people have seen all sorts of different ads. They're not really open. They're not, in fact, I've done a lot of that. Trying to buy solo ads, and you get an open rate of 1 or 2% on your emails. Obviously, you're not getting very many leads from that. So what you end up with this sort of system, sending them straight to an affiliate sales page, especially if they are from solo ads, is a 0.5% rate of sales or less. Now I hear some of you saying, well, let's just sell a big ticket item and then we'll probably be okay with that. But your success rate would probably go down even further, be more like 0.2% or 0.1%. The problem with this is, if you do the math on this, when you figure out the cost of your traffic, you don't make enough to cover that. All right, so let's look at the second way, the more successful way. In fact, that one I would say just don't do. It isn't going to work. Here's the second way. It starts out the same. You send traffic to a capture page. You again get their email. But in this case, instead of sending them to your affiliate sales page, you send them to your online assets. You would send them to a blog or web pages. Might send them to a podcast, things of that nature. Videos, I think, are an incredible way. So you could send them to your YouTube channel, or you could have your videos that you make on your blog or other web page. Then, after time, over time, you send them, you've talked with them, you've spent some time with them, you've gotten to know them, they've gotten to know you, which is the really important part. You send them to your affiliate sales page, and with this, your initial success rate is 7 to 10%. And over time, if you keep engaging with them, it may go even higher than that. The math all of a sudden works with this because you've increased by 10 times or more your success rate in getting people to sales, getting your customers to, or getting your leads to be customers. So what is it that we're talking about here? Well, we're really talking about trust. So the secret, you see the difference, is this step here. The secret is to build a community. All right, so we need to build a community around whatever it is that we're doing. And how do we build a community? Well, we build a place where we can talk with people, where they can talk with us, where they can get to know us, they can get to know what we stand for, who we are, things of that nature. And you're much more likely, because of the trust you have then established, to be able to sell your product, whether it's a small ticket or certainly if it's a big ticket item. You want people who really trust you, who feel like they know you well. Okay, so that's the secret. Build a community, build a place, build a hub where people can meet, get together and talk, and you're the leader of that community and in that hub, and they can get to know you and trust you and accept the things that you are teaching and selling. Okay? That's the secret to making it big in affiliate marketing. All right. Hopefully that's helpful for you. If you've liked this video, definitely give me some thumbs up. consider subscribing to my channel. And again, I want to mention the 4-part series, the 4-day series on the essentials of creating a successful 6-figure income online in an online business. That's the first link below. If that's something you're interested in, consider clicking on that. Completely up to you. All right, so thank you for joining me. This is Daryl Ballard, and we'll see you on the next video.